All right, what's going on, everybody? Josh Pocock here, founder and CEO of Executive Stride. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a complete review and guide of a copywriting AI tool called Copy AI. Let's get right into it. All right, so to start things off, let's take a look at Copy AI's website. So they are an established company. They've been around for, I believe, a year or two or so. So they're not, crazy established, but maybe a few years, maybe even more than a couple years. I don't know, but they were fairly new about a year ago, basically, is what I'm trying to say, and they have really hit the copywriting AI tool space by storm. All right, they have a lot of hype behind them. A lot of people are saying a lot of good stuff. So you can see here they have over 3 million AI contents generated for different clients or for different customers. You can see different reviews here. You can see the different features they have, some of the components. It goes over how it works, etc. We're going to dive into all of that. They do have a 7-day free trial. And yeah, basically say goodbye to the blank page for good. All right, so you can see they have a bunch of different templates here. You can see more templates. They have follow-up emails, cold emails. They have a resource section, learn from the blog, join our community. So they have a Facebook community. So, and then they have free AI writing tools and weekly demos and then pricing. So we'll take a look at their pricing, and as that pulls up, they have a community on Facebook of over almost 15,000 members. So they are, like I said, they are a popular tool. Are you already? Yes. Founder, and then write more content. Agree, submit. So yeah, I'll join their group and see what's inside of there, but maybe you'll even see this video from this Facebook group, in which case, hey guys, how's it going? But anyways, back to the actual pricing. So we can take a look at their pricing plan right here. So join over 1 million plus writing with Copy AI. So yeah, they are really scaling and they're getting really popular. Like I mentioned, you can see here the CEO. Okay, so this is just the customers. This isn't their team. But you can see they have a free plan actually. So $0, you get 2,000 words per month with no credit card required. So I'll leave a link in the description below for Copy AI, and you can actually get started for free and test things out and see how you like it before you actually decide if you want to, upgrade to a plan. But with the free version, you get 1 seat, 90 plus copywriting tools, unlimited projects, 7-day free trial of the pro plan. So you'll get access to these features. And then that's pretty much it. So with the pro plan, you get 5 user seats included, 90 plus. So this is actually, okay, so only the words change. Okay, so yeah, you get 5 user seats, 90 plus, so same sort of thing. Then you get 25 plus languages, blog wizard tool. Now this blog wizard tool is pretty much Copy AI's really unique feature that stands out from many other tools in the market, right? And then access to new features, and then if you can upgrade for more seats if needed. But you can see for 40K words per month, you get for $49. And this is the monthly. So 100K words per month is $99. 300K words per month is $279. And then 300,000 words per month custom pricing. And then they have annually. So you actually save, you get 3 months for free if you pay annually, which is $39 per month, $74, and then $209. So $2,500 basically on the 300,000 per year, 8,800, 888, and then $432 per year for the pro plan. So anyways, that's the pricing. Let's take a look at how that actually compares to Jasper AI, which is obviously one of the mammoths, the behemoths in this AI copywriting space. So we can see here, if we go to their monthly plans, so for 20,000, you get $29 per month. Not going to go through the whole features. So for 35,000 words per month, it's $49, which we look at Copy AI again. Let me go to their monthly. $49 is, so you get 5,000 extra words. Nothing too crazy. It's not that, like when they first launched, obviously same as Jasper, you get better plans and stuff. 60,000 words per month. Okay, so they only have 100,000. Let's see how much 100,000 is on Jasper. So, 100,000 words. So it's about the same pricing now, actually. So $99. So Copy AI used to, be a little bit cheaper. I mean, it still could maybe be a bit cheaper. Maybe you're going to get a little bit few extra benefits, but let's actually kind of dive into it. I also did do a full Jasper review and guide a few days ago, so I'll leave a link in the description below to that. If you want me to do an actual side-by-side comparison, you can let me know in the description, but that if you watch this video then watch that video, you should kind of get the gist and be able to come to your own conclusion. But let's dive into Copy AI. So currently right now I'm on a new account. So I just signed up for a free trial. You can see 7 days left. So I literally signed up before this video. And let's take a look, like just from a starter's point of view, you can kind of get, the perspective of what you're going to get. So on the left-hand side, you can see you can create a new project. As you can see up here, you can change languages, etc. But over here, project, so you can click here to see your projects. You can create a new project. So let's create one. Okay, actually, we don't want to do that yet. So let me go to projects. I'm going to delete these. Delete. Oops. Project. Delete. There we go. Okay, so switch to list view. So you can actually create folders too, which is pretty cool. So let me just create a folder called, for example, social media marketing agency, SMMA. All right, so we can, so here is kind of where you get started. There's four things that really highlights. There's more templates, which we'll go over, but these are like, I guess the first ones that are very popular. So we have blog post wizard, which I was telling you about. That's kind of like their long form editor, but it's also like a wizard. I'll show you in just a second. It's really, really cool. That's one of their best things. And then Instagram captions, generate Instagram captions, freestyle. So command a flexible AI to generate anything you need written. So before I get into everything, I'll just quickly show you some of the templates. Like it said, there's over, I think, 99 templates or something. So there's a lot. We're not going to go over them all, but you can see a few different ones on blog posts, social media hashtags, quotes, emails, job descriptions, bunch of different stuff. Build anticipation, launch new product email, seasonal hiring blurb, ask an expert, song lyrics, short story, dating profile, wedding vows. All right, you can sort them by the category here. So blog, social media content, email, fun, website copy, writing tool, generate business or general business, case study, video. All right, intro to a video script, YouTube video description. So this is like super cool stuff. But in this video, we're mainly going to go over we'll go over a few different ones, but the main one is the blog post wizard. So let's actually show you this. I really am excited to show you what this looks like. So create a first draft of your blog in 4 steps. So here's what happens. So jump into a whole first draft in 5 minutes. All we need is your title and keywords. So number 1 is tell us about your blog. Number 2 is generate the outline. Number 3 is generate the talking points for each section. And number 4 is get the first draft and start editing. So this is really cool. You're going to see what this looks like in action. And if you've been a long-term subscriber, or you've been watching the videos that we post daily on, AI copywriting tools, business growth, software reviews, all this new stuff that we're posting to make sure you're on the cutting edge of all this, new wave of AI, cloud technology, GPT-3, as well as just business growth strategies, all this good stuff. Make sure to subscribe, by the way, turn on post notifications. We upload videos like this every day, but you would have seen that I've been making some videos videos on tools like Word Hero, Jasper AI, Niches, Pepper Type AI, all these different tools, and you can check some of them out. I'll leave some of the links for those full guides and reviews in the description below as well. But this is very different of how to compose a blog than a lot of those videos that I made with those other tools. And it's a lot easier and a lot simpler, right? With a lot less input, you can create a fully, full-fledged blog, right? So let's first enter the blog title, then the keywords, and then the tone. So let's do that. So blog title, let's just say how to start an SMMA agency in 2022. All right, so keywords, write some keywords or phrases that are relevant to your blog. Boom, SMMA, agency, guide, social media. Okay, and then the tone will be professional. Yeah, we'll do professional. Now let's generate our outline. So currently we're generating the outline right here. So boom, you can see a blog intro will be added here. Then what is an SMMA? How to start up your SMMA, preparing your agency for success, how to generate leads, automating the process, how you can start a successful marketing or social media agency with efforts. Okay, so not bad. I'll just do, so you could either click generate all, so regenerate all, or generate more. All right, you can also move these around if you want. You can edit them here. I could add another section like so. Let me delete this. All right, let me just go and generate more. So generating more outlines, let's see what we get. Quickly define your niche for a laser focus. Connect your target audience with social media. Develop your personal brand. Case studies. So this is solid. So that looks about good. Yeah, that looks pretty solid. So let's generate our talking points. So now we're generating your talking points. All right. So boom. Here is our H2s and then our talking points. So what is an SMMA? How to start an SMMA? What is the difference between SMMA and an agency? What are the benefits of starting SMMA? How to start an SMMA in 2022? How to start your SMMA? So like, look at this. It's just super solid. I'll take a look at that. We can look at what this says in a second. Oh no. I want to show you guys. Okay, so subscribe to Copy.ai Pro, 40K, $250 a year. You get 40,000 words per month. Not bad. You say 40% off. So here's a free code. If you guys decide to sign up, you can use fall40, get 40% off. I think that's only for the annual deal though. So anyways, let's go back. No thanks. Okay, so where were we? Generate talking points. I guess we lost those there. So we got them. You can either add talking points or generate more or regenerate talking points. I'm not going to go through every single one here, but you can see literally we generated the talking points, right? It's like so simple. It's such a clean and elegant process to writing a blog, opposed from a lot of these other AI tools where I'm not going to bash any of them. I like a lot of them. I use a lot of different tools, but this is just so different and a lot easier than so many different things. So now we got, what did I just do? So I generated the actual content. So now it's review content and start editing the first draft. So introduction, we can see here, social media industry is exciting place to be, but it's also highly competitive. If you want to start your own SMA agency in 2022, but don't have any experience in the field, I'm going to show you how simple it can be. By following these steps, anyone can start a social media marketing agency without spending money on advertising or hiring expensive employees. What is an SMMA? You may not be familiar with SMMAs. An SMMA stands for Social Media Management Agency, marketing agency, but well, I guess it could be either one. And it's A new way to run an agency. It's not a replacement of traditional ad agencies or PR firms. Instead, it's a business model that works within an existing structure of those two industries. So like this is super, wow, this is like super cool content. I'm not going to read through the whole thing, obviously, but you can see here we got our introduction, we got our H2s, we got our talking points, and we got our conclusion. We could go write more, we could edit it manually like so, or we could regenerate content. So that is that. You can see over here, you could add sections, move sections around. Now let's go create blog post. And you can see here, boom, congratulations. We finished in literally maybe, I don't know, like a minute. I created a blog post here that has 1,719 words. So over 10,000 characters. Right now it's at an 11th and 12th grade reading level. So you could do some stuff to maybe get that down if you like. But this is super solid. Like no other tool that I know of, at least, really can just do it that in this sort of way, the way I like it. That's why Copy.ai really shines. And I'm not just saying that. Like I use so many. If you've been watching the channel, I've used so many different tools, and there's pros and cons to each. Like there's some sort of things maybe that I like with other tools other than Copy.ai for certain things, but it's just really solid. Like, I mean, I haven't seen something like this. Like there are some tools that can generate, that do something like this, but the quality comparative to Copy.ai just does it, in my opinion, from what I've seen. Maybe I'll see, maybe I'm, I haven't seen some of these. Maybe there's like a tool I haven't seen yet that can do this and it's better or whatever, but I haven't really seen something that can do it to this extent like Copy.ai can. So it's super powerful. Like that's just insane. It really blows me away. But anyways, so enough of me just kind of being amazed. You can see here, just to quickly go over the long form editor, it's very typical. You have the undo, redo, bold, italicize, underline, H1, H2, H3, bullet points, ordered list, strike through, block quote, code block, clear formatting, image, hyperlink, right? So you can go ahead, edit all this, do what you may. But there we go. That's it. That's really it. And, it's super, super cool. We just created a full blog post. And yeah, like, for example, I could go ahead and let me just pull up Neuron Writer. Actually, I don't want to. Here, I'll just quickly check. I could pull up Neuron Writer and let's just show you this. I'm actually showing you guys like some pretty cool stuff right now. There's a few also too, guys, as a side note, there's a lot of big plans I have of some videos coming up. I've been uploading videos as I'm pulling this up on Neuron Writer. I'm just talking right now. I'm pulling this up on my other screen, but I've been uploading videos for the last 4 months every single day. And, it's great. I've kind of, seen what works, see what doesn't, see what I like, see what you guys like, and whatnot. But I'm also gonna I have a lot of content already in the backlog for right now. Like I've been making sometimes like 3-4 videos a day, just hustling, just making more content for you guys. But I want to also start making some high quality content, with like good editing, all this good stuff. So stay on the lookout for that. And if you're a starter on this channel from day one, you're kind of learning a lot of like these long form videos that aren't fully like perfectly edited and cut together. That's kind of like a lot of the raw information that you can get a lot of value from. And then a lot of these short form or whatever, not even short form, but these edited videos or higher quality videos, whatever, they're definitely gonna have lots of value in them, so you can look out for that. But you get pros and you get pros. There's like pros of each side of things. So I'm just letting you guys know for the future. But anyways, enough of that. Let me actually just go over here. Executive Stride. Let me create a new query. Let me just, boom. Okay. So let me pull this over here. Oh gosh. Okay, no, so I actually have a lot of my keywords and stuff, my queries in a different project. So luckily I don't like showing my what I'm trying to rank for. So I have them under a different domain. We have like a bunch of domains connected. Anyways, so the analysis is happening on Neuron Writer. I'm just curious to see right now. I'm gonna pull Copy AI, the content, over into Neuron Writer. And by the way, guys, if you want a full review, if you don't know what this tool is, Neuron Writer, or if you want a full review on Neuron Writer, I'll leave a link in the description where I did do a full review on Neuron Writer, and you can check that out. I also just did a full review on Surfer SEO, so they're kind of similar tools. Another similar tool is WriterZen, which I did a review on as well. I'll leave that in the description as well. If you want me to do like a side-by-side comparison of all three, I did kind of mention that in my Surfer SEO review. It is a bit long, and I did get some comments letting me know that there was a bit of audio issues. So once again, with daily uploads, guys, just as a side note, sometimes there's technical issues. If there ever is, let me know in the comments just so I know to fix it. I really appreciate it, you guys. And yeah, if there's ever, things that you see in the video that you're like, oh, this is an issue, or this shouldn't be here, just let me know and I'll make sure to improve in the future. But, so I'll just test this out in the Neuron Writer side of things, but you can do something similar in either Surfer SEO or WriterZen. But I just typed in the name of our blog. So I'm just going to unselect these YouTube videos. We can, just for now, I'll just keep it on the top 10. And we have this. Okay, we don't need Pinterest. Amazon, no. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, so this looks cool. I'll keep it with these. Let me go next. Let me pull up our content right here. And I think I already did that, but let me just copy that. Come over to Neuron Writer. Let me paste this in here. Okay, so this is like a good rough draft. Like I said, it's a good rough draft. Obviously, there's room for improvements in terms of like ranking and NLP, which Neuron Writer specializes in. It's a long story short, it's a content optimizer. It uses NLP and GP3 tech and AI to basically analyze your content. As you see, we just selected the competitors that are for that specific query that we have right here. How to start an SMMA agency in 2022. Goes on to Google. Pulls up the competitors. We're targeting obviously US Google search, and then it will basically analyze them, see how much. I'm not going to explain the whole thing. You should, if you don't know what Neuron Writer is, check out the video. But we could then go and take that content we generated from Copy AI, and we could start optimizing it within Neuron Writer. All right, so I'll leave a link to Neuron Writer down below as well. So I'll leave a link to Neuron Writer, to Copy AI, and I'll leave a link to some of my other AI videos, as well as some of my other content optimization videos, such as Surfer SEO, WriterZen, as well as Neuron Writer. So then you can decide which ones you want. I'm doing so much tool reviews, guys. I know, like, I'm giving you guys a lot of value with all these different tools, a lot of top tools. Let me know the best way for, if in the comments that you guys, if you have any suggestions or criticisms, like, hey, maybe you don't need to say like cover this, or make it a bit shorter, or make it go expand on this, whatever. So let me know, give me some feedback. I really appreciate all your guys' feedback, because it makes me better, and makes these videos better for you guys, for everyone. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you how powerful a tool like Copy AI is. And you can get started on the free trial and test things out. Don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself. But yeah, I mean, I would just go through, and I could show you some other different tools in here. But realistically, guys, all these AI tools, a lot of these, components, a lot of them are similar, right? The main thing is that really separates them is how they integrate things with the long form editor, being like allowing you to take the components and put them into one to formulate your actual content pieces, right? So that is where Copy AI really just shines. It really does shine. And if you guys know any other tools that can do this, on the same scale, or maybe even not as good, or maybe even better. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely check them out and maybe even make a video on it. I'll give you a shout out. But other than that, guys, yeah, this blog post wizard is insane. It's really cool. It's really powerful. And check out some of my other videos on other tools, and you'll be able to see it's a lot of a different content creation process with some of these other AI copywriting tools. All right, guys. So Copy AI links will be down below, all the other links as well. If you're new to the channel, like I said, my name is Josh Pocock, founder of Executive Stride. We help coaches, course creators, marketing agencies, B2B businesses, entrepreneurs, founders, whatever the case may be, SaaS creators, accelerate their strides, scale their business from 0 to 100K plus per month. On this channel, I make content on different tools I'm using in the business that we use internally, that we teach our clients, that all this stuff, just different reviews, different tools, different updates on different business strategies, mindset, marketing, prospecting, sales, literally anything, business, operations, you name it, we cover it, standard operating procedures, all this good stuff. So the content is getting better and better, guys. It's literally just a process, a consistent process of doing it every single day, or as much as you can, whatever, you know, there's a trade-off between quality and quantity. So I'm really trying to optimize both ends of the spectrum. So if you want to stay up to date on the journey, stay up to date if you enjoy videos like this, I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications. That's all I ask. You know, if you like it. If not, no worries, no harm, no foul. But if you do, you know, want to show some appreciation, I would appreciate a, you know, sub, as well as turn on those post notifications so you can stay up to date. I'm going to try to keep my posting schedule to be somewhat consistent to a time, so you guys can be aware, like, okay, every day at 1:30 there's going to be a video, or whatever the case may be, just so you guys know what to look out for. If, say, for example, if I'm doing reviews like this every single day, and then I have like a high quality, well edited video once every week, or maybe twice or 3 times a week, whatever, we can just see once, like, we're scaling right now on all ends. So we're scaling our clients' businesses, we're scaling our business, as well as we're scaling like a big end of like our content side of things with our content team. We're getting like you know, recruiting different people to help us with content, editing, all this stuff. So big plans in the works. If you want to stay up to date as well, like behind the scenes, and actually get a lot of different stuff that I can't, well, I could post on, some things I just can't post on YouTube. So some things I can, but either way, I like to share a lot of exclusive stuff within our community. So if you're not a part of the Stride community yet, where, you know, if you're someone that likes to accelerate their stride and whatnot, plus, you know, what, like they say, you're the sum of the 5 people you surround yourself with. So if you want to be in a community of winners and be a winner, and that winning is our mantra, right? Then make sure to check out the Stride community. It is 100% free, guys. I could charge for it, charge like $50 a month, $30 a month, whatever, for like this community. A lot of people do that, but I want to build a free community for you guys. There will be, there's, you know, free resources, checklists, templates, tools, software, you know, discount codes, all this stuff will be within the community. A lot of stuff I will be posting on the YouTube channel as well, but if you want like real-time notifications, then the communities are where it's at. I can't always make a YouTube video and post it when something happens right away. You know, I will do that, but there's a bit of, you know, time delay. So if you want to be in our community, you'll get that notification right away. So that's why we have our community hosted on multiple different you know, platforms and mediums, so you guys can join all of them and just, you know, reap the benefits of those communities. So go to stridecommunity.com. Once you opt in, you'll get instant free access to the Facebook group, the Discord channel, the Telegram group, and the WhatsApp group. All right. We're building it right now. We already have over 500 entrepreneurs. A lot of them are pending right now for our Facebook group. And, you know, we're just really scaling it. So you'll be able to network with a lot of different people. We only want winners in there, guys. Winner mentality. So if you're not coming from that same mentality, then don't even bother joining. But other than that, last thing, if you do want our extra help, if you want us to help you, like, personally in your business, and coach you and take you from what your current situation is to the desired situation, whether it's you're at 20K a month, you want to scale to 50K or 100K per month, we can help you do that. Yeah, if you want more information on that, go to executivestride.com/quiz. A link will be in the description for that as well, where you can fill out a short quiz application, and you'll speak to either myself or one of our coaches or growth consultants from the team. We'll walk you through our A to Z roadmap on how we help coaches, consultants, marketing agencies scale from 0 to 100K per month. And you can also watch in the channel, one of my older review videos I did, our actual walkthrough of our roadmap, of our process, a flowchart diagram. You can see the whole thing, everything's mapped out, and that was about 3-4 months ago. The process has been updated even more, so once you hop on that call, you'll be getting through our updated process, since we're constantly changing things, guys. That's why I'm a big proponent on just uploading every day, or just doing, posting content at value every day, because you guys will get to see what changes I'm making internally, how I'm thinking about things in the market, what shifts need to be made. And even regardless, if you ever decide to work with, my company or not, or have, if we ever decide to, if you want me as a coach and my team to, help coach you to your goals, whether you do or not, you're still going to get tremendous amounts of value on this YouTube channel and in our free communities, guys. I literally want our free stuff and in the free communities and the YouTube channel. I want people to look at it and be like, wow. Like some people may be like, I paid $10,000 for a coaching program or a course or a product, whatever, or a service, and what I got from your free content is 10 times more valuable, and then you can just imagine how much our paid coaching and services and programs will be, or how much value that will be for you. But that's my goal for you guys. So I don't come from a scarcity mindset about sharing things on, oh my gosh, I don't want to share things for free, this is from our program, or you guys, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's an abundance mindset, and that's what you put out into the world, guys, you're going to get in return. It's the law of reciprocity, right? So that's in anything. That's in content, that's in business, that's in relationships, that's in life, that's in really anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm really excited for you to be along this journey, and let me know in the comments down below, anything. Just comment down below. Let me know what you're grateful for. Let me know what you enjoyed about this video. Let me know what you think we should improve on, and let me know if you have any questions and anything you want me to make videos on, and I'll be able to help you. And then I have a few different pages that I'm working on, so you guys will be able to interact more, submit some questions, or vote on certain things, whether you want me to make whatever type of video you want me to make, so you can make that. And then we have a few things come in the works with a few podcast stuff going to be happening. So stay on the lookout for that, guys. This is the Copy AI review and complete guide, mainly just covering over their amazing feature, which is the blog post wizard. But yeah, every link will be in the description down below, guys. Make sure to subscribe. So I'll see you tomorrow in tomorrow's video. And as always, guys, make sure to keep hustling, keep grinding, and accelerate your stride. Talk soon.